Now, before I go into these basic rules, I'd like to draw your attention to the different notations. Unfortunately, differentiation has been developed independently by at least 3 different mathematicians back in the 16th, 17th centuries. So up to today, we have got 3 different notations for differentiation. The first notation is read y prime equals f prime of x, which has been introduced by Lagrange. The second notation, which is read dy dx or df dx, minding it's not a division, so it's not dy divided by dx, it's dy dx, and it's just showing you that you're carrying out the differentiation rather than division. It's been introduced by Leibniz. This is probably the one that is most commonly used. And the last one, the dot notation, the y dot equals f dot of x, is being introduced by Newton. So it's very commonly used in physics, as Newton developed a lot of very interesting concepts in physics as well.